everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iOS 16.4 beta 1. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am late to this beta version video this time. I'm so sorry for it, but I promise next time I will be one of the first, if not the first person talking about the beta 2 of iOS 16.4. Without wasting any more time, and now that you are subscribed to this channel, as we are so close to 10k and I want to get to 10k, now that you are subscribed, let's get right into this video without wasting any more time. First of all, let's get a quick recap on what was new on iOS 16.4 if you guys already are not aware about it. The major highlights are the new emojis. I swear, I just love these new emojis on iOS 16.4. There is new shaking head emoji. That is by far my favorite emoji. Then there is a pink heart, then there is a blue heart, then there is a Wi-Fi, and then there is also a gray heart, and there is com flute. And on the screen you can see these are all the new emojis that are on the iOS 16.4 beta 1. On the beta 2 of iOS 16.4, I think so we may see some more new emojis on iOS 16.4 beta 2. Let's hope, fingers crossed. And now Safari push notifications are also available, which means same as Mac, if you will log in, suppose YouTube online on your web on Safari, you will get the push notifications on your notification panel whenever someone uploads. For example, if I will upload a new video and you are subscribed and you haven't downloaded the app but you have logged in on your Safari, you will get the push notification. But developers have to work on it, and it is not yet supported. I mean, I can't really show you because no developer has added support for it yet. Talking about the size of the update, it came at 5.4 GB on my iPhone 12. It may vary from device to device, from which device you are coming from iPhone 13 or iPhone 10R or iPhone 10, which device you are using. It may vary on that device, and also it also varies from which version of iOS are you coming from. Talking about the performance is probably the same. I haven't really noticed a lot of difference on this version. The performance is the same as the previous version. There is no changes in performance. The battery is really bad. Of course, it being a beta one, battery is bad, and it is obvious that it is supposed to be bad. And if you are someone who really wants good battery life, I would request you guys to stay on the iOS 16.3.1 beta. It has the best battery life. Now let's talk about what is all expected to come in the beta 2 of iOS 16.4. Let's quickly talk about what is supposed to be coming in the iOS 16.4 beta 2 and when is it supposed to be coming. So iOS 16.4 beta 2 is supposed to be coming today. The day I'm recording this video is Sunday. It is 19th of February, which means if Apple is on a 1 week cycle, we will see it as soon as next week, which means Tuesday, 21st of February, we will see the beta 2 of iOS 16.4. Let's hope for the best. And what I think is, if not the new emojis, because if history is an indication, we may see new emojis coming on the beta 2. New wallpapers is not gonna arriving on iOS 16.4 beta. As excited as you and me were about new wallpapers, I really doubt that we will see new wallpapers coming on the iOS 16.4. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. If you did watch this video till the end and enjoyed watching this video, my name is Jed, aka Tech Hype. Please subscribe to this channel. We are so close to 10k and I want to get to 10k as soon as we can. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is me, Jed, aka Tech Hype, signing off. Peace.